So, what is AirCrete and why would you want to use it? AirCrete is a inflated cement product. It's where you take 1 cubic foot of cement and you inflate it up to 6 cubic feet. This introduces bubbles, which creates insulation, and it makes a wonderful building material that allows you to build your own home very affordably. AirCrete is the non-code approved, do-it-yourself version of cellular cement. In the industry, they sell it as autoclaved aerated cement, which has been steam cured. The difference is that the homemade version is cured slowly over 28 days before reaching full strength. It's a beautiful, easy to work with material that allows you to build a home that could be rent or mortgage free. Whether I've seen 14-year-olds build a home, and I've had a 76-year-old man attend one of our workshops and build a home. So most likely, if you're willing, AirCrete can be the building material of choice for your next affordable off-grid home, bug-out location, or home in town. They can be artistic domes, or they can be square. They can be cut, carved, shaped, and stained into any shape to look like anything that you desire.